Right now we're watching this area in pretty much the northeastern part of Mississippi as we have some storms developing. We do have some tornado warnings to our west. Looks like it's going through Jackson. Could clip Lexington. Most of these storms are rotating, so anything to our southwest that's pushing our direction could spin up a tornado. So if you have any plans, I would advise to cancel them this evening, as all of this developed pretty rapidly over the last hour or so. I'm trying to get my chat to work. Lewis County. Watching this system here to your southwest. I mean, we're seeing ping pong size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This goes to say, like, if nothing else develops, which storms have been blowing up over the last hour or so, looking around about 5:30. So about an hour and a half for Lewis County if this stays on its path. Paducah, you may have some rough weather coming to you here pretty soon, especially if this tornado warned storm keeps lifting north in Covington. But right now, I'm just going to get on here and give y'all a quick update on what it looks like. I'm probably not going to stay on here the whole time because I'll be probably live until 5 or 6 in the morning, but I will jump on here and go live whenever we are under a severe or tornado warned storm. But right now, watching this energy to our southwest, as we do have storms popping and pushing northeast. So we will feel these storms if they hold together. Centerville eventually, so once these storms start pushing northeast, probably around 5:30, 5:45. But right now, yeah, we're keeping our eye out for this. These storms, instead of the other night, the storms are moving east. So these have more of a northeast trajectory, which typically can produce some strong tornadoes. So if you have any evening or night plans, I would advise to cancel them, please. Yeah, there's a whole lot of energy, and the atmosphere is prime for severe weather. I would definitely be close to a safe place, just in case, because we're going to have the next few days is going to be rough, and this is just going to be the beginning of it. Columbia and Hickman probably going to get about the same type of weather. As long as you have a safe place, just that's where I would be. The tornado warnings are just radar indicated right now. But the storms coming up to Hardin are 60-mile-per-hour gust and quarter-size hail. some bigger size hail, about ping pong size hail. Yeah, this is the first day I have felt like the humidity in the air so far, and it could it could be a rough night for some, for sure. But right now we're just watching this area to our southeast, or southwest rather, in northern Mississippi as the energy pulses our way. Um, I will continue to keep going live, probably every 30 minutes or the hour, just whenever these storms get closer to us. So if anybody has any last questions before I jump off for a few minutes. Yeah, this is eventually coming towards Dixon. They are all radar indicated up here in Jackson and Covington. Time frame from Holmwall. If this stays together, looking around 5:30, 5:15, 5:30. Yeah, this is coming. This is actually coming towards Linden right now. It's still a good ways away. The radars have been finicky. Where's it at? Here we go. If this stays on the same path, Linden around 5:12, so between 5 and 5:15, Parsons 5 and 5:15. That's if this storm holds together and nothing develops out ahead of it. But if it does, I will be back on here to give you the latest. Lobelville, if it holds together, probably around 5:30. But we could have some more cells develop out ahead of it. I'm just going to watch it closely, and I will be back live if anything happens. Wayne County, yes, you have this line of cluster of storms right here. That is pushing northeast. You are probably going to feel this here in a few minutes, probably the next hour or so. Right now it's just severe warned, 1.5 inch hail, and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Just letting you all know, this is the area of concern for this afternoon, and it's starting to fire up pretty quickly. But I will be back on once this gets a little closer, so stay tuned for my post and